To install the bottom arrow key, you're going to take your tool, place it underneath the bottom edge like that, and now take your finger and hold on the top part of the key, and as you slowly come back, it should just snap right off. There you go, and you can just place that aside. And now to remove the scissor hinge, you'll take your tool, toothpick, paper clip, spudger, whatever you're using, and just place it right on top of that rubber cup, but underneath the actual plastic hinge, and then you slowly come back and it should snap right off. And then you can grab it with your fingers. It's pretty small though. There we go, take that out. Now you're going to grab your replacement hinge and you just drop it inside here, and you'll notice actually on the hinge you've got a continuous piece on the top, and then on the bottom you can tell that it has two little separate pieces right there. So you'll drop it in orientation with having the continuous piece on the top. So let's drop that in there. And you'll drop that in like that, and then you'll use your finger to push down on it until you hear it click in. And sometimes you kind of have to finagle it because it is a pretty small piece. So now the hinge is installed. Now take your down arrow key, your replacement, and then just place it right on top like that. And then we're going to push down until we hear several little clicks. Sometimes you have to wiggle your finger around. And there you go. Your down arrow key has been installed.
Mac.
And keys.